welcome back to my channel, A Style the Body. Yes, I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a new video for you guys. Hope you guys are good. I know it's been a while. You know, the weather's getting nicer now, so I don't function very well in the cold, honestly. But the weather is getting nice right now, a little bit, so you know, I'm coming out of my shell. So if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. The name is Style the Body. On this channel, it's all about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, travel. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any other video. Okay, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. I love you guys. So today's video, from the title you can tell, is an unboxing video. Now I have wanted these for a very long time, and I finally got them. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably might have seen, you know, the post about it. But it is these gorgeous Louis Vuitton hoop earrings. Louise hoop earrings. So it comes in this little box. Take it out, and it has a little dust bag, whatever. I've already wore these, but you know, I try to keep them, you know, I try to put them back in here so they don't get scratched or anything like that. But yes, these are the earrings. I love these earrings. Oh, before that, so here's the receipt. It was when I first saw it, actually it was like $600, but it actually went up to like $715. Yeah, so I think it's something that's gonna keep going up. So if you want them, you might want to get them now before they shoot up again. So yeah, they are so cute. Like I thought they would be like, you know, a bit big. I'm gonna put them on so that you guys can see, but yeah, this is how it comes. This is it right here. They're so cute, honestly. Obviously they're not like real gold, but this is something that's not gonna keep these for a very, very long time. Okay guys, so this is what the earring looks like on. It's so cute. Like I'm so in love with these earrings. I think they're like a statement piece, you know, and it's gold. They have a silver one, but I like gold, so I went with the gold, and I am in love, guys. It's so freaking cute. Close as you guys can see. It's so cute. So cute. I love it. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Quick and short. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me feedback. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love my new earrings or not? Let me know. Comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff in store for you guys. I'm working on it. I'm trying to get it together, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much